Hello guys, welcome to the another video. So in this particular video you can see that I have successfully installed the graphics card of 2 GB DDR5. As you can see, this is the graphic card guys which I have installed, and here you see I have literally connected to an external HDMI cable. These are my RGB fans. Here is my processor running. This is a 12400F prefix processor. Basically requires a discrete graphic card, so that's the reason I have literally got some basic 2 GB gigabyte graphic card. You can check the unboxing for that. And here is an SMPS box where I did some sample connections to show you. Here is the RAM guys. As you can see, the 16 GB RAM I have installed in DIMM slot 1, and the SSD of XPG 1TB S70 blade which I have unboxed. Do and check out the video, watch the video, you would get to know how I have installed that. So you can check it out. I have installed on the second slot. Okay, so this is what the information it is. As you know, our SSD is under the second slot, our RAM is on the first slot. This is the processor, this is the graphic card. So let's go ahead and check out our information where I have got it. One moment guys. Okay guys, as you can literally see, this is the way where as soon as you turn on, you would be able to see the MSI click BIOS setup once you go to the F12, of course. Guys, you know what, under the CPU you would see, since I've installed i5 processor, you would see CPU frequency is 2.50 GHz. Here is the CPU ratio. P cores is like processor core or like 6 cores. I've got it. Intel Turbo Boost technology, hyper threading technology, yes, it's enabled. Intel virtual technology, it's enabled. CPU based clock, it's like 100 MHz. So the next comes, this is the information guys where you would literally go and see HD audio controller is also on because I have made a connection. I request you to go and check out my other videos too. Let's go to the memory guys. In the memory we have like 4800 MHz guys. Come on, I have actually purchased 6000 MHz RAM of from the ADATA, but you can literally see that I've got just 4800. This is disappointing, but I don't know the reason of that. But if you know the reason, do let me know. You can see in the profile one, XMP profile, you can see on my cursor it's DDR5 6000 MHz 30 40 40 76, where it comes with this following voltage. But anyhow, I'm seeing this frequency. That's how it's supposed to be. Whether do I need to do a dual channel, please do let me know in the comment what I am missing over here. So this is the current temperature, which is quite cool according to me. Coming to the storage guys, as you know that I have been installed my SSD S70 blade on the M.2, like the second slot. You can see that I have 1024.2 GB, that is nothing but approximately 1 TB guys. So apart from that, you can see something is not present, you would not be able to see that. Here is the fan information of my CPU where I'm getting like 42 degrees centigrades, and here is the system fan, of course, where you would check the statistics. Pause the video and check it. You can literally see my motherboard is MSI B760B MOTAR Wi-Fi guys. Wi-Fi is enabled. The CPU is 12th generation. i5 12 generation 1. Memory size is something you can literally check it out over here and you can get to know. And BIOS build date, as you can check it out, it's 2003 guys, December 7th. Okay, you can just I'm sorry, this is July, really sorry for that. This is July 12th 2023. MSI basically the month will be first and the second would be the date, so it's 7th of July, like July 12th 2023. Okay, this is the information basically guys. CPU speed is 2.5 GHz. DDR speed is 4800 MHz, quite good. And you can literally go ahead and check it out guys. So this is what exactly the boot setup and everything. Okay, I can go to the help if I want to change anything. So this is the way you go ahead and change the thing. You can literally press escape to exit. The moment you exit, again you would come back to the same screen, and literally you can make sure having some particular stuff, or if you wanted to perform any since it is a DOS, you need to go ahead and check out the USBs whether it is being installed properly or not. So you can check your bootable drive and all. So for that I would let you know. So this particular is basically about to check out whether my CPU is working or not. Anyhow, in the future you would see more videos coming up. Please do appreciate this efforts guys. Like the video, subscribe the channel. Have a great day. Bye bye.